Oh my
Oh
God.
my God, not this, not now.
Come here. I will figure something out.
You are my savior. What you will figure it?
I trying to fix your clothes.
I'm gonna be completely naked.
Can you turn?
Oh my God, I think you have no idea what are you doing. The boss is gonna be here, right now.
I know.
Oh my God, he's coming.
Rose, Jane, Mary, are you here?
Yes, yes, yes.
When do we start the presentation?
A few seconds.
God, this is disaster. I'm gonna lose my job.
No, you won't.
So, oh my, what is this?
Don't rush. You will see.
Do I have to wear it?
Yes,
Oh my God. Like that?
yes.
Okay.
And this side. Yes, for the head.
Okay, okay.
I think I've cut a little bit more, but don't worry.
So stressing.
I will fix it again. No, 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 no.
Girls, do you have any troubles? Is it okay? Hurry up, please.
The final preparation.
Okay.
Oh my God, dear, please be faster. Because he gonna fire me.
Don't rush. He doesn't fire.
Maybe I'm gonna help you. We're gonna do it faster.
Yes, you must put it up, please.
Oh my God. It's so short. Come on, you told me you're gonna fix it, but you did it.
I fix it. Few seconds, please. Trust me.
What a terrible noise. Everything is fine?
Oh my God. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Help me. Hold it.
Okay, just do it, do it, do it.
Don't rush, okay?
I'm gonna have the red skirt.
Yes,
Maybe it's not that bad as I was thinking about.
of course.
Maybe I can help you with this.
Yes, I need that you.
Oh. No, please take your seats. Mary and Jane prepared the
Stop,
perfect
stop, stop,
presentation
stop,
for you. So
Hold it right here
we'll see
and right here.
in a few minutes.
Oh my God, they are waiting us.
So what?
He's so nervous.
He doesn't nervous, okay?
Tell me everything's gonna be alright.
It'll be okay. Trust me.
Oh my God, you're doing
Girls.
so good.
A few seconds.
Hurry up, please.
Yes.
We're waiting.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, do it. It's almost done. It's almost done. Oh my God.
You're sweet. Yeah, no. Oh. Oh. You're so pretty. Please start your presentation.
Hello, colleagues. Today I'm gonna show you something completely new.